EPE form net extrusion line. The raw material of EPE form net is low-density polyacid resin, which is fed into the extruder with the screw length to diameter 55:1 by automatic loading equipment filled with anti-shrinking agent and foaming agent and high pressure. After rotating gear die, it can produce the foam net. The machine model is EPW75. It can produce about 600 kilograms per day. Features of EPE form net extrusion line. 1. Loading automatically, alarming automatically. 2. It adopts Italy technology automatic injection system with a double screw, which is controlled by the transducer, and mixes the talcum powder into the extruder steadily and accurately. 3. It adopts the circulating water cooling method to make the temperature more steady and cool quickly. EPE foam net is an ideal packing material used to fruit package. It has a very large market.